And I am back with another cooking video, and today I'm going to be making one of plenty of versions of potato salad. I chose to do it with the skin today because I had the red potato skin, and I already cut everything up just so the process can be quicker. I was going to go live, but then I chose that I'm just going to do this because I got other things to do. So basically, I cut the potato into cubes with the skin, washed it, and I put it in water with salts and garlic powder so it could soak in here. Not sure on the measurements. I do it all by eye, but enough to give it the flavor. Also, I have 4 boiling eggs here that are cooling down so when I do the salad. But I'm going to let this all boil, cook completely. I'll let you know about, I started it at 9:14. So I'll let you guys know about how long it took me to cook the potatoes and the size of the cubes that I did do it. And then I'll get back to the main ingredient, the mayonnaise, everything else. Once that's done, I will be back. Give me 1 sec, guys. So it took 20 minutes to cook the potatoes. I then drained the potatoes. Then I added it back into cold water to stop the cooking because you don't want it soft and mushy or else it's going to fall apart on you. Then I already pre-cutted took the shells off of the eggs. And this is what I'm going to start doing. I'm going to be using, these are the ingredients I'm going to use. I wanted parsley, but I don't have the parsley on me, so I'm going to be using black pepper, hot relish, hot dog, the mustard relish, salt, garlic, mayo. I'm going to be using a little bit of honey mustard, or you could use regular mustard. I'm going to do the honey mustard this time. But what I'm going to do in this bowl, I'm going to add about 1 cup of chopped onions, and I did it fine. I usually use the yellow onions, but I'm doing purple today because that's what I have. So I have 1 cup of the onions in here. And then I'm also going to take apart the egg. Sorry. Because I'm going to use that after. But I'm going to take the inside. Sorry. Because I'm actually going to mix that into the mayonnaise. So in this bowl, I have the yolks. I'm going to take a fork, and I'm going to squash that down. I'll squash all that down. Some people put vinegar in it. I'm not going to do that. I've done it before. Could put sugar in it to make it sweeter. And I'm actually going to take the mayonnaise, and you can keep on trying it. I could have did it by cup to measure that out, but about a cup. I'm gonna see. Let me start off with a cup. Okay, I'm gonna do, that's about a cup. I'm gonna do a little bit of this honey mustard. That's why I'm not putting the sugar in it, because I did the honey mustard instead. Then I'm gonna take the sweet relish. I'm gonna do a fork. I'm gonna do about 2. Okay. I'm going to add the black pepper. And remember, you can always add at the end if it needs it, but you can never take it out. So once it's done, it's done. So do it, you know, little by little. A little bit of salt, not much. I'm going to mix that. I'm gonna just taste that. I'm gonna put actually just a little bit more salt in there. Not much. Okay. Now I'm going to, I'll just use this knife. This comes in handy. I'm going to take the egg. I'm just going to dice it. I wish I had something to show you guys, but I'll show you guys how. I'm not doing it too thick. About, I'm going to add that in here. And you don't have to add all of it. I'm going to add it. Okay. Guys, I'm going to chop this up and I'll be right back. Due to my memory, I'll be right back once I finish chopping. Guys, I'm back. This is after it's chopped up. Now I'm going to mix that again. Okay. Now, I shouldn't have did it earlier, but I'm going to mix all those onions in there. You could put mixed vegetables in there too. I've done it before. It's good. But I like to do that with my my pasta salad, my macaroni salad. I like to do that. All right. So now that's what the inside's looking like, and I'm gonna put just a little bit more black pepper, not much. I'm gonna mix that. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna grab the potatoes. I'm going to drain them out of the water. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to pour them into the bowl. Right, I'm going to pour this on here, and then I'm going to show you guys. And you could put some paprika on the top if it's for parties. Okay. So, be right back. Guys, so right now, I'm going to just mix this up. And if you put more mustard, it'll make it more yellowy. Like, it'll be more yellow. They'll have more color. I prefer to use the honey mustard, and it's a little lighter. So it's not going to give you that as dark of a color. This is kind of complicated for me to actually stir this while holding the phone. All right, let me finish stirring it. All right, Gas Nation, this is the final product. Remember, if you like what you see, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell. For every time I upload a video, you get to see. Remember, stay gassy, love you all. Mwah.